Okay, Highlevel Harris, the best affiliate on the planet. Now, what I'm going to go through today is I'm going to explain what are custom values. So sit back, this won't be too long. I'm going to explain it top to bottom. So here's a quick explanation what custom values are so you can get a grasp of it. So custom values in high level are like placeholders in a message that gets filled out with specific information when sent, making it personalized. For example, instead of writing hi name, you use a custom value like hi customer name and it automatically becomes hi John when John receives it. This makes your message look more personal without having to write each one individually. So if that doesn't make sense, I'm going to show you how it works right now. Okay, let's say I fill out this affiliate form, okay? And I put my name in, let's say my name is Jaze, last name is Onfoy, signature, whatever, okay? Let's say a customer fills this out and their name is Jaze Onfoy and here's the info. So what we can do is we can use custom values to extract the name from that form and auto-populate it in emails, in SMS, text, and anything where you can reply back to them. So let's say we go on automations and our trigger is the form is submitted is the affiliate form that I just filled out. We can send an SMS. So what we can do is send a text message to them saying, hey, then go to here which says custom values and go to contact. User is us, contact is the client. Client first name, so we say hi, hey Jaze, thank you for signing up for the affiliate. Whatever, I haven't spelled it right, but let's say we even want to extract his email and say, I don't know, if you just wanted this is your email, okay, and then it will auto-populate the email that I submitted here. So instead of you individually copy and pasting, what this does, it auto-populates. So let's save action and publish this automation. So whenever someone fills the form out, they get an SMS saying thank you for joining, and if it should fill out their name and email. So I'm going to do that now and I'll show you on my phone. Okay, I just got a notification with an SMS reading, hey Jaze, thank you for signing up for the affiliate. This is your email. So do you see how those custom values filled out those values? Do you see? So that's how it can be very useful. And if you want to create your own custom values, and you can put them in websites as well, it will auto-populate. So for example, if you go into your sub account, go to settings, go to custom values, you can create your own custom values. So what you do is go to new custom value. We can name it like, let's say I want a custom value for the current year. So current year, the value of course is 2024, and you can keep it like that. Press save. So as you can see here, it's created as custom value current year 2024. Now we can copy this and put this in our website. For example, if we go into our website, go into edit. And by the way guys, if you want the best affiliate program, here's all the benefits. It's the best affiliate program on the planet, and you can get a snapshot of my account. So you'll get the websites, automations, my whole account. I'll give it to you for free and you can get going much quicker. So what we can do here, it says copyright location name. But what we can do is add our custom value, which was custom value current year, and let's preview it. So it should auto-populate with 2024. So let's preview that. Let's go to the bottom. So you see how now it says copyright LMX 2024. So that bracket has now been auto-populated with whatever we've said it, well, whatever we want it to say. And sorry guys, I forgot to mention that the benefit of this is that if you put this custom value throughout your website on different web pages, say if it's 2025 right now and we want to change the year to 2025, instead of going on our website and trying to find every single year, what we can do is go to settings, go into custom values, find our custom value and just change the value from 2024 to 2025, and then all the values on our website will be changed. So I hope that makes sense, and if you've got any questions, just drop a comment and I'll reply to you. So make sure you understand this concept because it's like a very key concept when it comes to building your clients' software themselves. If you want me to jump on Zoom calls with you and help you out for free, join my affiliate program, sign up with Highlevel with my affiliate program, and we can get everything started and going. Here's all the benefits. That's it. Thank you.